All right, what's up? So I've just been chilling with my hair. It's gonna be the first time I'm detangling my hair in a while. We are gonna use my concoction. We're doing a rinse today. So excited. When I'm not doing rinses, sometimes my hair is just steamed in the shower because I haven't styled it. You'll see in my previous video that my concoction, I don't think I realized how acidic one of the components of my rinse is. The last thing you want to do is have acid eating away at your hair. So just lightly dampen this, pull at it a little bit, and then put it away. Okay. I ain't worried about it. I'm gonna do the same method, whatever, that I've been doing. Since I do rinse quite often, there's not a lot of grunt work that needs to happen. The only thing that I'm concerned about is actually detangling my hair. So, I'm gonna wet it, get it wet. Okay. Whew, yes, Lord. You know what I hate though? I really hate getting like sebum water on my face. Everyone is wet and happy. Same thing that we have been doing. We're gonna do small sections. Gonna do this, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3. I already feel the sebum waking up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have a few clumps here, or not clumps, but you know, a little bit solidified sebum. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, my hair is like waking up. The sebum is waking up. And this solution is actually registering at a 5.5 pH, which is perfect. Okay. Oh wow, feels great. Feels great. Yeah, my sebum definitely likes it. Ooh, don't get it in your eye, y'all. Don't be like me. I'm gonna detangle, and I'm not gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna use a Denman. Oh my God. I haven't used a Denman in like, y'all, in a minute. Start at the bottom, be gentle. Okay, not bad. Very, very easy to detangle, actually. Feels good. Ooh, feels good. Just make sure everything. I wanna make sure we didn't get no residue on the scalp. Well, that was pretty easy. So this section is pretty much done. I'm going to twist this and get it out of the way. There's still quite a bit of sebum up here at the top that I really want to bring down gently. You see this? That's that sebum, y'all. So I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all don't need no conditioner. Look at this. This is all natural. Look at this. Look at it. Ooh, I'm tired. Yeah, man. The detangling obviously helped wake up the sebum a little bit more and distribute it. So now I'm literally just bringing everyone down, waking them up, letting them know that today's gonna be a good day. Look at it! Y'all think I'm playing. Okay. Just wait. Just wait and see. Let me twist this, Sha. You don't want it. You don't want to learn. You still don't want to learn. Okay, no problem. Okay, we're not doing 2-strand. We're literally we're just twisting. Okay, that one's done. Now I'm gonna move on to the next sections. All right.
Different style when I'm trying to show ya. Take your tea where nobody knows ya. I don't know what you've been told, baby. Lately I've been on my own, baby. I don't even know where I'm taking ya. How we on a boat in the middle of the ocean? Way too drunk, I'm way too fucked, baby. Pop the molly in the club, babe. Ooh, I met the devil out in California. I've been living on the edge, but I won't fall off. Got a couple hundreds for the spending. should learn to share, baby. Oh no, I'm crazy. I know how I did it. I don't know. Heartbreaker, all yours. I know I said I changed my life, but that was last night. I'm so high, can't open my eyes, can't look in your eyes. You got the juice, I got the sauce. So they probably hit it off, but you gotta make a decision. You got the horse, I got my walls, I cannot lose. But tonight I'm too fucked up to make decisions. I got so much bitches. It's like all my life I've been knowing something's been missing. Devil on my shoulder, so I can't stay sober. You should learn to share, baby. Oh no, I'm crazy. I know how Ooh, I met the devil out in California. I've been living on the edge, but I won't fall off. Got a couple hundred for to spend it. You should learn to share, baby. Oh no, I'm crazy. I know how I did it. I don't know. Heartbreaker, all yours. I know I said I changed my life, but that was last night. I'm so high, can't open my eyes, can't look in your eyes. Give me one more time, but I said that last time. I know I said that last time, but this is the last time. This is the last time. This is the last time. Ooh, yeah.
Baby, make you love in the boy. Baby, make you kiss the boy. Baby, make you love in the boy. Baby, you fuck kiss the boy. Kiss the boy. I sorry to your elected you. I surrender to your elected you. I sorry to your elected you. I surrender. I know say I know strong like Mike Tyson. I know say I know get to the voice like Michael Jackson. I know say I know sweet like Zara Larson. I know say I know get the money like Michelle Branson. But waiting I get it pass the money where you want. If you give me a chance, I'll give you everything I got. I pray to God that this loving is enough. Baby, I just want to let you. I sorry to your elected you. I surrender to your elected you. I sorry to your elected you. I surrender to your elected you.
I sorry, like saying I fell on you. I don't care about your money. You surrender to my elected you. No, they fear more. Just go.
Hey guys, so I am about to head out. I think it's been about 25 minutes or so since I've left the shower. I did do a cold rinse afterwards and I retwisted the ends. I'm gonna wear a wig today. Yes, it's green. Yes. I don't typically have these many twists in my hair when I do have wigs on, and tuck it underneath the section of hair that's on this side. Sometimes I'll bobby pin it, sometimes I won't. If my hair is wet, I don't need to bobby pin it. Just this side. And tuck it up. Okay. So, super easy.
I know say I know strong like Mike Tyson. I know say I know get to the voice like Michael Jackson. I know say I know sweet like Zara Larson. I know say I know get the money like Michelle Brown.